Hello everyone, today we'll talk about 4 ways of greeting. This is Hala, welcome to Speak Real Arabic. The first way of greeting that we'll talk about is مرحبا. مرحبا means hello in English. For example, I entered to my workplace and said مرحبا. They will respond like أهلين, which means welcome in English. I can also respond again like أهلين فيكن, which means welcome you. أهلين فيكن. The second way of greeting is صباح الخير. صباح الخير means good morning in English. صباح الخير. For example, I wake up in the morning and I see my mother. I can tell her صباح الخير ماما, which means good morning mother. She will respond and say صباح النور. So if you want to use this way of the greeting, you have to say صباح الخير, not صباح النور, because صباح النور is the response for صباح الخير. This was for the morning. So what we will say in the evening? We will say مساء الخير, good evening. The response for this, I think you can figure out what the response will be. Exactly, مساء النور. So for example, I entered my house after finishing my work. I can say مساء الخير, مساء الخير. My family will respond like مساء النور. The third way will be يعطيك العافية, which means may Allah help you with what you are doing. For example, I enter a shop and I see the seller. I can tell him يعطيك العافية, يعطيك العافية, which means may Allah help you with what are you doing. The response will be Allah يعافيكي. The fourth way of greeting that we'll talk about today is Salamu alaikum. Salamu alaikum, religious people use it so much. They like to greet in this way, and the response will be Wa alaikum assalam. The meaning for this way of greeting is peace be upon you. The response, it's like upon you too. Wa alaikum assalam. This was our video for today. I hope you enjoy it to the most. See you in the next video. Bye bye.